This is this great 19-piece charcoal pencil drawing set. My kids are very into drawing, probably more than they should be, considering both of their parent-teacher conferences, the teacher said they draw instead of listen. So what better than to have a charcoal pencil set when you're breaking the rules? But this is your new go-to. And there's a variety of different black charcoal pencils here, white pencils, the highlighters, and other handy tools for bringing the ideas to life, the blending stumps, the erasers. All the materials are definitely high quality. This is the second time we've owned one of these, but they are smooth, richly pigmented, and they're so easy to work with. So whether you're perfecting fine details to your artistic creations, or if you're drawing in a notepad when you're not supposed to, this set definitely will deliver for you. It's great for beginners. It's great for pros. It's super convenient. Everything just fits in the box. Take it with you. So if you're ready to take your artwork or your doodling to the next level, I highly recommend this charcoal pencil drawing set.